Hi, now that you've cross-checked your 3D walls and we are sure we have all our walls in place in order to accept our roofing, I think it's important that we now learn how to insert windows and doors into our design. So I'll change my visual style to 2D wireframe. I'll change it to the plan view. So from the plan view, you can see where your doors are meant to be located. So I'll revert back to maybe southwest view. You can go southeast, anyone that you like. So let's insert our doors. So you click on doors, then click on browse, so you can check out different door styles. So you can see we have numerous inbuilt door styles, a lot of them you can see. So feel free, you can scroll through and pick anyone that you like. Now, because this is meant to be a security house, I feel we should go for a door that has like a form of see-through glass, so that you can see who is approaching the building and you can see who is leaving, and you can actually see what's going on outside while being seated or standing up in the security house. So I'll leave it at the default choice. So you can scroll down on the properties menu, and usually toilet doors are usually 750 mm wide. So but I'm going to insert a normal door, so I'll go for 900. I'll change the width to 900. I'll leave my height at 250, and I'm going to ask AutoCAD MEP to measure the door frame. That's the width from out to out. That's using the outside frame. So now I can follow what the instruction says. Select the wall. So just look closely. You must be careful. I'm going to select this particular wall, and you can see we have an orange door image. So just click, because it starts from immediately after the wall. So just click there. You might not be so 100% sure, so just click enter. What I usually do is I go back to my plan view and click on my newly inserted door. So you can see this arrow. This shows it's going to close towards this side and it's going to swing towards this direction. So I know I'm on the right track with my proposed XREF. So but if you were not, maybe you just have to edit it. So all you need to do is just click on this or flip it this way. But I don't need to do all that. I'm going to open the door inwards. So this is well positioned. So let's take note of other doors. I need to insert another door here, which is most likely going to be a 900 mm door. So let me just check it out. Okay, it's 900 mm. Then this is the toilet door. So this is going to be 750. Okay, so now I'll go back to my southwest view. Then okay, preferably maybe not southeast, because I want to insert these other doors. So I'll just click on doors, change my width. Okay, I'm not going to go for a see-through door for a toilet. It's going to be somehow. Let me look for a door that is closed. Maybe this looks good. Oh, okay, this looks good. Let's just go for this. So just right click, add object. Okay, the style has changed. So just select this wall here. Make sure you reduce the width to 750. Okay, the height is 250. So I'll position this here, then carefully click here. I'll do the same here again. You must be careful. Okay, so we've inserted two doors of 750 mm, and just before I forget, we have another door that is 900. So I'll just quickly insert that. So just come over here, be careful. It's inserted. So Go to your plan view, check the swing directions of your door. You can see this is not similar to what we have in the XREF, so just click on this flip. Now you have it the same. Press escape, click on this, you're going to flip inwards. Now it's similar. You can see why it's good to do all the brainstorming in your XREF. So this is supposed to not flip inwards because it will clash with whomever is coming out of the toilet. So I'll flip, then flip again one more time. So I think it looks good now. Go back to my preferred southwest view, and yes, I have all my doors inserted. Thanks.